In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install CNBC app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. To get the right CNBC app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store and then open it. Now, this is the official store for apps for Android. Now, from here, you can go ahead and search for the app using the search bar here, or you can search using this icon if you can't see this bar. So I'll go ahead and search for the app, and then to search for it, tap on this search, and you can see our app is here. Make sure it is from Universal Media, that is the official company, and this is the tagline. At the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.8 with over 93,000 reviews and with over 5 million downloads. Currently, the file size is around 26 MBs. To install it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of CNBC app on your Android smartphone and then install it. Once this has been installed, you'll have the latest version of CNBC app. Go ahead and open, or you can go back and go to your apps. Now you should be able to see CNBC app. If you open it, you can see this is the welcoming interface, and now you can proceed and start reading news. So that's how you can install the right CNBC app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.